Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about foam rolling before your workouts. Now, foam rolling before your workouts is a really good way to warm up your muscle tissue and to get it to immediately relieve tension so you get a better range of motion for your exercise. So for your upper body, it's generally always going to be your pec minor or pec major, your lats, and then your upper traps. The reason being, most of us have sedentary lifestyles nowadays. We sit at a desk, we drive a lot. Everything we do seems to be pulling us forward. Well, that forward kind of wrecks our shoulder mobility. So if our shoulder mobility is wrecked, just kind of locked up like this, you're not getting everything out of your exercises because you can't come through all the way, especially with your shoulder girdle. So to combat that, before you exercise, you're going to foam roll those different muscle attachment sites, starting with the chest. So open your chest wide. You'll spend about a minute on each side. You will slowly be able to get your arm further back. Now that muscle tension is relieved, so now when you do your bench presses, you're going to have better range of motion for all of that. That range of motion is going to stay longer. So that was for the chest. The lats is really up into your insertion point up here, into your armpit. Now it will probably hurt a lot when you're doing it, but over the weeks it'll get a lot easier. Like that didn't hurt me at all. If you're brand new to foam rolling, it will hurt. I am using a massage gun because it's much faster than a foam roll, but you could also use a tennis ball or a lacrosse ball or just one of those rigid foam rollers. Same principles apply for all of them. Spend about a minute there. For the upper trap, it helps to have a friend, but if you don't have one, it is as easy as that. And then by the time you get done, this should have been your starting position, and then this should be your ending position. That extra 2 inches of range of motion is going to create a lot more muscle mass down the road.